Hi friends, welcome to my channel Avani's Maths Cafe. It's me Avani. So today I'm here with a new video related to mathematics LCM, that is lowest common multiple. We all know what is meant by LCM. Today I'm here to give simple explanations about lowest common multiple and common multiple. For that, let's go for an example. So the example is that find the LCM of the numbers 3, 4 and 6. So consider these three numbers as three LED bulbs which glows at a regular interval of 3 seconds, 4 seconds and 6 seconds. So when we switch on all the LED bulbs together at a particular time, these LED bulbs glows together. So this particular time is known as the common timing of the three LED bulbs. Otherwise we can say that common multiples of the three numbers. So among these common multiples, the lowest common multiple is known as the LCM.
Let's go to the presentation. Example. To find the LCM of the numbers 3, 4 and 6, instead of the numbers, consider it as a 3 LED bulbs which glows in a regular interval of 3 seconds, 4 seconds and 6 seconds. Then find when will these 3 LEDs glow together at first. For this, we have to find the multiples of these three numbers. First of all, we'll go for the numbers 3. So the multiples of the number 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Next we'll go to the number 4, and here is the multiples of 4, that's 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. Finally we'll go to the number 6, and the multiples are 6, 12, 18 and so on. Now let's see what happens when we switch on all the three LEDs together at a time. You can see that at the third second only the first LED is glowing. Similarly in the fourth second also only one LED is glowing. When you reach the 6th second, two LEDs are glowing together at the same time. If you go on, when you reach the 12th second, all the three LEDs are glowing together at the same time. In the same way, when you reach the 24th second, again all the three LEDs are glowing together. If you go on, when you reach the 36th second, again all the three LEDs are glowing together. So these three numbers are the common multiples of the number 3, 4 and 6. That is 12, 24 and 36 are the common multiples of the number 3, 4 and 6. Among these, the lowest number, that is the 12, the lowest number is known as the lowest common multiple, is known as the LCM. So lowest number among these is 12. So 12 is considered as the LCM of the number 3, 4 and 6. So I think everyone is clear with this pictorial representation. Now let's move on how to solve, otherwise how to find the LCM step by step. So what you have to do first is, first write the numbers in a line. Then you have to divide this with the prime numbers. So first you have to divide this by the smallest prime number. Before that we can see that here 4 and 6 is an even number, so we can easily divide this by the number 2. So let's divide it with the number 2. Here 3 we cannot divide by 2 perfectly, so we'll copy it as it is down. So we get it 3, 2 goes 2 times in 4, 2 goes 3 times in 6. Now here again there is 2, we can divide it by 2 again. So we can get 3 as it is down. 2, 1, 3 again, 3 itself. Now here 3 is an odd number, so we cannot divide it by 2. So we will go to the next prime number, that is 3. So we can easily divide it by 3. We get 1, 1 and 1. So now we have got everything 1. Now we have to multiply the divisor which we have got. So the divisor is 2, 2 and 3. Now let's multiply 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. So we got that the lowest common multiple of the number 3, 4 and 6 is 12. So let's go for one more example so that it will be a little more clear for you. So we can see 8, 18 and 24. Here all the numbers are even numbers, so we can divide it easily by the number 2. So we'll get 4, 9 and 12. Here 9 is an odd number, so we cannot divide it by 2. But 4 and 12 is an even number, so we can divide by 2. So let's go with the 2 itself. So we'll get 2, 9 and 6. Here again 2 is coming, so once again let's divide by 2. So we'll get it as 1, 9 and 3. Now here there is no even number, so let's go for the next prime number, that is the 3, and we'll get 1, 1 as it is. 9 will become 3, 3 will become 1. Again let's divide it by 3 and we'll get everything 1. Now what do we have to do? We have to multiply the divisor which we get in left, that is 2, 2, 2, 3 into 3. So we'll get 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 72. So the lowest common multiple of the number 8, 18 and 24 is 72.
I think everyone is well clear with this pictorial presentation, and if anyone have any doubts, you can comment it in the comment box. And if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon so that you will get the new notification of the videos related to mathematics which we upload. Thanks for watching.